Hey friends. Oh, so Vincent, it's okay, just keep bouncing. I'm making myself lunch right now. I just finished editing a video that I'm very, very nervous to put out there, but I'm gonna put it out there. I love these pre-packaged salads. They are amazing. They make lunch so easy and so nutritious, well, kind of more nutritious than most. I got the Asiago kale from, I think, Sprouts. It's like one of those pre-packaged ones. I know I could save money and just make my own, but sometimes it's just nice to, especially being a mom, just have something done quickly. I also have some leftover Thai food that I'm gonna make. Don't mind my bangs. The reason why I'm constantly wearing a hat is because I'm trying to grow them out, slash they're so weird right now that I kind of just want to go short again. Mr. Soul Vincent just woke up from a nap. He's a little tired. He's a little needy. Oh, you're happy now. Are you happy, bear? Yeah? You just missed me when you woke up? Yeah. Oh, thank you. When you touch them or you make an effort, that's when they get needy. So you have to just slowly back away. Somebody help me with my bangs. I don't know what to do. I feel like I look... Anybody else, like if you don't get your bangs done, you feel hella frumpy? I feel so frumpy. The frumpiest of frumps. Today's a pretty chill winter day. It's not even winter yet. Chill day in. Our apartment kind of smells like dog piss. That's what happens when you live in a jungle. Like I walk in here and I'm like, wow, I can't believe I've been living in this filthy mess. So I'm going to make a holiday potpourri out of fresh oranges and apples and all that really, really good stuff. So excited to share my secret with you guys on how to make your house smell like a bomb-ass holiday. For it to smell like the holidays. Disco? Shall we make some potpourri? So Vincent, should we make some potpourri? You're so damn cute, oh my god. No cinnamon sticks? Oh, haha. So I cried all evening and then met up with some friends for dinner. And now I'm eating my feelings with leftover Mexican food, some tapatio. Let's do this. I just want to say, one, I'm blue. If I was green, I would die. Thank you so much for your support on my recent video. I'd rather nobody talk shit about the person that I was having issues with, because I'd like to keep this a portal of positivity. But the fact that I was able to relate to a bunch of you who are going through the same shit right now means a lot. It's like the moment I talk to you guys about it, I release the pain and it just feels better. So also shout out to Stefano for being a badass partner. The baby bartender.
How'd you like your drinks? You're getting them shaken on you, bitch. I'm a baby bartender. I shake these real good. Yeah.
Whoa! I almost just choked on my beans and rice. That was impressive. That's it. Peace.